everyone, it's Oksana. Welcome to my vintage kitchen. Today we're making mushroom soup, not any mushroom, porcini mushroom soup. Oh my god! Forget the mushroom soups, we're gonna make amazing Christmas appetizer. I found this recipe in an amazing cooking book from 90s Canadian Living Christmas edition. I think it's a little bit forgotten recipe, but I'm sure you guys gonna love it. It's so easy to make, and the best part of it, you can make it a day or even two before your party. So without further ado, let's go!
Line a loaf pan with plastic wrap. Dice your smoked salmon. Flake canned salmon, discarding skin and bones. In a big bowl, gently combine flake and smoked salmon, parsley, onions, and tarragon. In a separate bowl, beat together butter, mayo, mustard, lemon juice, and pepper. Add your butter mixture to your salmon and gently combine. Spoon in salmon mixture into a loaf pan, cover with a plastic, and refrigerate for about 3 hours, or even better, overnight. Decorate it for your taste and enjoy your beautiful terrine.
Merry Christmas!